Chapter 3 Local Administration. India is a very big country. It consists of a large number of villages, towns, and cities to provide basic amenities to the people such as electricity, water supply, cleanliness, roads, and hospitals. A system of local bodies has been developed. In villages, these local bodies are called Gram Panchayats. In towns and cities, these local bodies are called municipal committees. The members of the local bodies are chosen by the people living in that area. The process of choosing these members is called election. Gram Panchayat. Every village in our country has a Gram Panchayat. The term Panchayat comes from the word Panch, which means a group of 5 elders who solve the problems of the villagers. All men and women who are above 18 years elect the members of the Gram Panchayat of their village. Among the Panchayat members, there must be at least one women member. The Panchs elect their head, who is called the Sarpanch. The members of the Gram Panchayat meet regularly to discuss various welfare programs. They also look after the needs of the villagers. The Gram Panchayat performs the following functions: arranges for digging of wells for drinking water, maintains cleanliness in the village, arranges for the repair and construction of village roads and streets, makes arrangements for lighting of streets, helps in settling disputes between the villagers, makes arrangements for the education of the village children as well as for the adults who cannot read and write, helps to run the dispensaries for the treatment of the sick and to control diseases in the villages, organizes fairs and festivals in the village. The Gram Panchayat needs money to do all these things. It gets some money as grants from the state government and some money through taxes. The Panchayat appoints a Gram Sevak or Sevika who advises villagers about the new methods of farming, modern machinery, and makes them aware of various health issues. Municipal Committee. In cities, the local body that takes care of the needs of the people is called the Municipal Committee. Members of the Municipal Committee are also elected by the people who are above 18 years. Each elected member of the Municipal Committee is called a councillor. The municipal councillors elect their head, who is called the chairman or the president. In big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata, the municipal committees are called municipal corporations. The head of a municipal corporation is called the mayor. The municipal committee corporation carries out the following functions: makes arrangements for the cleanliness of the city, provides clean drinking water for the people, makes arrangements for lighting of roads and streets, maintains public parks and playgrounds for the children, provides basic health facilities at the primary health centers and dispensaries, provides free education to the children in the primary school and run adult education center, provides for construction and repairing of roads, streets and drains. A large amount of money is required to carry out all these functions. The municipal committee collects money from the people in the form of taxes. The state governments also give funds to the municipal committees. Gram Panchayats and municipal committees work hard to provide us the basic facilities. It is our duty to cooperate with them in their work. Let's understand. Amenities, a desirable feature or facility. Welfare, the health and happiness of a person or a group. Funds, a sum of money saved or made available for a particular purpose. Recap. Every village in our country has a Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat looks after the needs of the people in villages. The municipal committee or corporation looks after the needs of the people in cities. All men and women who are above 18 years can elect the members of the Gram Panchayat and the municipal committee.